We'll ask that after.
How can you give me your voice? You ain't seen since figures. If I go broke, you will see me in Spike Nation. Credit card scams or the DL sends. Credit card scams or the DL sends. Oh, I don't need no help. Go rich by yourself.
That's fine. Anyway, guys.
My friend about to die.
Hey guys, it's Jay.
It's S.
And it's D.
Welcome back to the Life of the JSD.
Yes, guys.
Anyway, guys, we're back finally.
I know we've been gone for so long, but
But you know, during the hide and seek game that we've been playing with you, we grew. You know,
you actually grew up a lot. Like back then, the videos that y'all don't want to see it.
Thank God we deleted it.
Anyways,
Come look at this.
A Q&A, but that is good.
So we got random questions, guys, because it is what it is. Because I knew when I'm. It's okay, just talk to me.
Okay.
Names. My name is Diana, but you can call me G.
So hard fun.
Cause my name is Jessica.
I don't know.
Her name is Jessica.
I like so. What's your name?
Stupid.
Scissor, but you know, just call me Sis. Don't hurt your tongue, bro.
Of course, Centrelink bread. Next.
Oh, Julia Rush.
Okay, where y'all from and where y'all born? I'm from I'm half Liberian, half Ghanaian,
Same.
and I was born in Ghana.
Yeah, I was born in Ghana.
I was not. I'm Sudanese and I was born in Egypt. So that's not what she's saying.
You got the thing, bro. He's banging.
What's your favorite color? Mine is orange and black. I don't care if black is a shade. It's my favorite shade. Left me.
Mine's any melanin colors.
My favorite colors and shade. If we just gonna start coming out to stupid yet, don't come at me with that.
Get it right, bro. Then I'll let it slide.
My favorite shade is black. You already know, as you can see. My favorite color is green. It's just a period. Wait, were you the last one to be?
Yeah, those are first.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna skip this question.
Wait.
I'm just gonna go. What's your height?
No, you do this one because. Oh yeah.
Yeah, what's your height? I'm 5'1", but people want to say I'm 4'11", but
Last time I checked, I was 5'6" something.
I'm like 5'5", man.
Why did y'all start the channel? Cause y'all want to see our faces.
Period. Because we've been told that we're clowns somewhat. Might as well.
if a little kid can go make an unboxing video, why can't we start a flipping video?
I know.
Your YouTube channel, like I want to know.
Y'all ain't the one that's editing. We are, but
just left us, man.
just watch our videos, you know.
Just do it. Just hit like. It don't cost.
All you gotta do. That's all you gotta do.
Subscribe. What?
Subscribe, man. Friend will just allow it.
You never know, like.
No.
Y'all need to stop acting up. I'm so mad, bro.
Alright,
Hey.
Next question is, how'd y'all meet? Shush.
Yeah, true.
We met in Shush. February 17th.
I didn't
They
even know that,
never
but
did.
that was crazy.
I did that because I saw the video yesterday.
Whoa.
It's my turn. It's your turn.
Oh, it's your turn. This is why you get skipped.
Oh my days.
She said this is why you skipped something.
He's for the streets. Oh,
Put
your
your
hand
hand
down.
down. Put your hand down.
I'm pretty sure y'all already know, but
G, I'm
It's for the streets, man.
waves or dreads?
Dreads.
Waves.
As long as you have hair, bro. That's it.
I know is that all.
I knew you. Like,
She's the
shush,
owner.
bro. It's
Bro.
waves or dreads. Like, pick one.
What?
Pick one.
The all.
You know what? That's a difficult one, okay? Soccer or basketball? So we're gonna say soccer. Just gonna say basketball. I'm gonna say.
I've always wanted to be a baller, y'all. Like, you're watching this and hit my line, you know.
My
Like,
height's actually a difficult situation.
get me in
like,
contact. But this.
I'm sorry. How do you dribble? Like I actually don't know. Like I can't do soccer. Either my legs don't allow it. How do you run?
I don't know what the heck this is. She did check. She gave up. What?
Above, all of them above.
Okay. one assumption about you.
That would mean like
As an yeah, that would be.
that would mean. And as in general, people always say that mean because I just like when you
No, my face is naturally. I just don't care.
Yeah.
But I'm a nice person, kind of.
People think I have attitude. It's true, but
Yeah.
honestly,
Like,
rubbing it in my face saying that
like if you see me at a party or something, I'm just gonna be there. Just like,
yeah, I'm just right.
but if you see me on the street, I'm not gonna be like.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
That wasn't even English. Wait, I'm saying English. What are these questions, nigga? Bro, just read, man.
yeah.
Do you like scary movies? No.
No?
Hate them.
No.
Hate them.
Are you guys okay?
I would generally like
I heard
cinemas.
someone knocking at that door.
I was scared. Cinemas, I will cry. Like I won't cry, but I'm.
That depends their life.
It depends who I'm with, cause like I need a high.
Nah, it depends if the movie's actually scary or not. Cause
Yeah, it
like,
depends how scary, like what scary
Yeah.
it is. Like if it's comedy scary, then that's alright. Yeah. But like if it's scary, like yeah, you swing that.
If it's scary, it's scary. I'm gonna walk out. I don't care. I don't care. I'll take me and my money and what?
Yo, these questions are so.
the dumb bro, like,
I swear, I saw.
What's your weird habit?
I said it, bro. I did it.
On the fence, people be like,
You.
I hate it.
Who does that? You just catching her neck to you. I don't understand.
I knew y'all wanna do it.
I put my thigh. I don't know.
What do you do that's actually a bad habit?
I actually don't know. I don't know what I do.
What do you
Oh,
do,
I
bro?
don't just yell at random times.
I think I just do
But I do
random things. I just like I don't know, pierce my nose.
Or I just start dancing in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, no, that's not a bad.
Like what I do?
What is this gonna do, bro?
I think I just instigate. That's my bad habit. But
Yeah, that's still a bad habit.
ah,
You need to
shush.
stop. You need to
Ah,
stop.
shush. Next.
Biggest instigator, bro, but.
Seriously. I don't have a bad habit, I guess.
Since 1986.
What pisses you off? Whew. What pisses you off? What makes you mad?
Oh,
God, you see. Quarantine got niggas. Oh my god.
no, I thought we were doing like, we're just picking questions. Go down, man, it's here. What are you
No,
doing?
no, no. We already said it. So
No, we didn't say what pissed us off.
Okay, what pissed us off?
No, the questions, you have to.
Wait, allow it.
Hey, where's the first question? Hey, where'd it go?
It's right there. Anyway, I think what pisses me off.
Shush.
I think what pisses me off is like people that are just like cocky. I don't know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, people who are just like I hate bullies in general. Like,
Those who don't like.
No, it's just like, what do you get for making somebody else feel bad?
exactly
Like, unless
people
they're like your friend and you're doing it in a jokey way.
yeah.
Menace,
people
wait,
understand.
wait a minute. Hold, wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
People who just do it. Like, what's the reason?
Shush.
Serious biggest bully I know, but
But I just gonna let it slide.
No, but like I don't like bully people, so relax.
what's bullying?
I know.
What's bullying?
No, if I make a joke, one joke about you, I'm not bullying you. It's a constant thing, nigga.
Oh, that's true.
That's shit.
That's true.
That's shit.
What's my best friend's name? 23. Oh.
Let me read for it next.
Man.
What's your favorite type of junk food?
Nigga.
That's a difficult one.
I don't know.
To be honest, I don't know, man.
I don't know. Subway.
I know, I actually like Macca's, not gonna lie.
Yeah, their fries, bro.
Their
That's
fries,
unbeatable.
I'm just gonna say Nando's, bro.
Nando's chicken, yeah, but I'm tired of that, but.
Yeah.
My sister-
It's only the sauce if you think about it. The meat, the chicken,
Yeah, it's only the
It's
sauce.
alright, but like it's just a sauce.
I just like the
I
sauce.
need to get KFC chicken and put some sauce on that, and that's just it. I haven't
She
tried
dragged
it.
them.
I haven't tried it.
Next one. Is it me?
Yeah.
Oh. Who's more jealous?
Who's more jealous? What do you
What
mean?
question is that? What's that mean?
Depends the situation.
Oh, that's
That
me.
means-
You're gonna get jealous.
No,
Are you
'cause
stupid?
me, I'm not a jealous person, so I'm
That's
out.
crazy, bro.
You may think we get jealous. We actually don't.
That's
As for me, I don't care
like
about
going to be
you.
jealous of like we basically do everything. So like
What's there to be jealous about? That's what the question doesn't make sense.
anyways.
Have I ever broken the law?
I think so.
Yeah, right now it's quarantine. It's quarantine.
We're not gonna
And
talk.
niggas getting fined like
Look at the distance even. Where's the distance? There's nothing.
We're just asking for the government to come put us in handcuffs. That's all I'm saying.
Y'all niggas just should have said the government.
Stop being dumb, bro.
Never know. Man.
Shut up.
Oh look, I'll show you.
Look, now I have to start over. Right, so annoying. We just ended it anyways. Sorry guys, while we're editing we realized that we didn't have an ending, so here's our ending now. Make sure you
Start again.
no, it's gonna be funny, bro. I just say
Start
something.
again.
Say
Start again.
oh my god.
Hi guys for that, but make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on, and stay tuned for another
For the next video. That's a period. Bye.
Laters, guys.
Love you guys.
Both tryna ride, then I ditch them both. I ain't even right. Hot top Chanel, bitch, we drippin' right. Young white cell, bitch, we living life.
We'll ask that after.